We're ready.
Residents of Mayville planted 216 flowers and 9 equal rows at the town park. How many flowers did they plant in each row? A 23, B 24, C 207, D 25.
225.
225.
Thank you guys. Yeah, good job.
Underline the question.
Class.
How many flowers did they plant in each row?
Now predict what you think you need to solve the problem.
We need to divide along division. Good job.
Do you agree? Thumbs up or down? Anybody not agree? What do you think?
I think we need to just do the division because it says it has 216 flowers and 9 are in each row.
So what are you using to decide that you need to divide?
Small division.
What are you using out of here? What was your reasoning behind that?
Is that we can divide those two numbers and then do like this.
Okay, so you agreed because that's what he said, right? Okay, keep going.
The important word circle. David.
260 flowers.
Javier. 9 equal rows. Jeremy.
Mary planted.
I think this is
Okay.
each.
Well, how many people think each needs to be circled?
Yeah, I agree.
Each. Because that helps us to know about that division, right? In the question. Okay. All right, good. Go on.
Apply the steps you chose to solve the problem.
Okay, so you all told me what operation? Division. No, you cannot see that. So 216 divided by 9. Can we say 2 divided by 9?
No.
So we have to go to 21 divided by 9. How close can we get?
2.
2. And we use the 1, so we put the 2 over the 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract. Don't forget to regroup right here. 11 minus 8?
2. 2.
Hold up. 3.
11 minus 8?
3. It's 3.
3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down the 6. 36 divided by 9?
4.
4. 4 times 9?
36.
Subtract. The answer is?
0.
24. The quotient is 24. So 24 flowers were in each row. Corinthian?
Yes.
My answer reasonable.
Yes, my answer is reasonable because 24 times 9 is 216.
And I noticed some of you did check your answer by multiplication. Very good. Draw a happy face in the sky if you checked your answer. Go ahead.
We worked our problem or let our answer stay.
Let our answer stay.
Excellent. Okay, lots of cuts for that. That was very good. Let's practice what we already know how to do. Practice what we already know how to do for a minute. I want you to find the product of these two numbers. And I want you to choose one method to do it. Do not do it more than one strategy. Choose one strategy, find the product of those two numbers. Start. 30 seconds. We're gonna answer this together. Deja, what strategy did you use to answer this?
I use area model.
Excellent. Area model. How many people used area model? Jesus, why did you choose that?
Because it's easier for me.
Correct answer. Very good. It's easier for you. Up. Let's do an area model on here. First, you draw your area model. How do I decompose 35, class?
30 plus 5.
How do I decompose 67?
60 plus 7.
Draw your lines. What is 30 times 60?
18.
Two zeros.
So 1,800 or 1,800. What is 5 times 60?
30.
5 times 6 is 30.
300.
Plus 1 0. So the answer is 300. What is 30 times 7?
21.
3 times 7 is 21 with,
1 0.
so 210. What is 5 times 7?
35.
What do we call all of these numbers?
Partial product.
Partial products. What do we do with them?
Add
Add them. It does not matter what order you add them. 5, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 2,345. If you got that, give me a thumbs up. Excellent.
And Miss Thumb, I noticed something.
Okay, what'd you know?
The number pattern is going 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Well, it sure is. 2, 3, 4, 5. I like the way you noticed that because you know what? You're using some of our structure, aren't you? Looking for and making sense of structure. Very good. Okay, who used a different method, a different strategy? Jaden, what'd you do?
So the one you don't put your plate on. Since algorithm? Yeah.
Standard algorithm, okay, thank you for helping kids. Standard algorithm, let's do it that way. I need everybody to look up here because if you didn't choose this method, I still want you to know how to do it. Say the words with me, okay? Ready? Begin. 7 times 5 is 35. Put down the 5, carry the 3. 7 times 3 is 21, 22, 23, 24. Finished with the 3. What's next? Placeholder 0. Don't forget that. Very important. Continue. 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, thank you. I sure am glad y'all are smart, know what to do. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, and then what? Add the what?
Partial product.
Good. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2, 3, and 2. 2,345. Did we get the same product, both methods? Great. Don't forget, choose the method you need that is best for you.
And
Good.
you can check it on long division.
That's right. All right, yes, you could use either method to check your long division. That's a good point. Okay, put that aside very quickly. Put your pencil aside very quickly. Fold your hands, pick up here. Okay, let's take a look at our new learning. That was we just finished a review. Now we're going to new learning. Here's our outcome for today. I can determine whether a number is a prime or composite.
I can determine whether a number is prime or composite.
We'll find out what prime and composite are as we work through our lesson today, okay? Our math practices today, I can model with mathematics.
I can model with mathematics.
I can attend to precision.
I can attend to precision.
I can look for and make use of structure.
I can look for and make use of structure.
And of course, we always persevere. Never give up. Okay. So back to prime and composite, let's look at our words for today. Factors, multiples, and we talked about those two things yesterday, right? So we did our factor rainbows, we found factors of given numbers. Prime, that's our new word, and composite. We're going to find out about these two today. First, we're going to watch a video, a Learn Zillion video. Pay attention. Every time you hear something really special, give me a thumbs up real quick and put it right back down. Remember, because you're going to have to talk about it when you get finished. Let's hold off on that.
That makes it a prime number. How about the number 9? We can make one array that is a 1 times 9. And if we try to make another array, we notice that we can make a 3 by 3 array. So 9 can be shown with 2 different sets of arrays, 2 different sets of factor pairs. So it is called a composite number.
Give me a thumbs up if you think this is important. Think about it. We're not speaking yet.
We can see there is only one area model for the prime, but there's 2 or more for a composite number. Let's use what we just learned to solve the question from the beginning of the lesson. Is 15 a prime or a composite number? 15, I can show it with an array of 1 times 15. Then I have to think of 2s. There's no double one I can do, but 3.
Okay, we're going to share what you learned. Stand up. Hand up. When your music stops, pair up. Pair up. I need 2 as partners, not 4. So if your partner underneath there, come on out over here. Separate out a little bit. Okay. If you're the, okay, everybody have a partner? All right, if you're the tallest person, you're going to be partner A today. You have 30 seconds to tell what you learned from the video. Go.
I'll wait to do after in the video. I learned how to use an array is an airport. Array is a way to
Be sure to use the words prime and composite.
prime and composite. Prime is like when you cannot use like one, like where you not
Time. Listening partner, tell them something good.
You're so smart.
You are.
Okay. Partner B, your turn. You have 30 seconds. Be sure to use the words prime and composite if you can. Begin.
How to figure out
Look at your partner.
5 is doing more than the steps. And composite. And the prime number is if you only use one. Like if you only get one strategy, you sell this.
Time.
Yeah.
Listening partner, tell your partner something wonderful.
You so smart.
And go back, wait a minute, before we go back to our seat today, this is what I need. When you get back to your seat, if you are a B partner when you're sitting down, if you're a B partner when you're sitting down, get 1 bag of square-inch tiles. Also, if you need to borrow a pencil, I have some back there. Okay. Now, we're going to, we learned from the video, now we're going to learn from each other a little bit. Find the right place here. While I'm finding that, take out 12 square-inch tiles and move to sit beside your partner, your shoulder partner. Move to sit by your shoulder partner and take out 12 square-inch tiles. Okay, you should have 12 out by now. Rolla didn't get 12 out there. You don't need a pencil right now. You do not need a pencil. All right, look up here. A prime number is a whole, wait a minute, I want to back up one. Hold on. All right. Students, here's our problem. Students are arranging square tables to make one larger rectangle table. If the students want to choose from the greatest number of ways to arrange tables, should they choose 12 or 13? We're starting with 12. What we want to find is all the different ways we can make arrays with the number 12. See how many arrays you can make with your square inch tiles. You and your partner work together. We're not doing round coach right now. We're working together. If you find an array, let me know. Remember, you're going to be using your factors to do that. You have to use all 12 tiles. You have to use all 12 tiles to make an array. So you're going to put your, okay, so you're going to put these under each other, like that. Okay. Okay. Not 3 groups of 6, you're using groups of 3, but how many groups of 3 do you have?
We got 3 groups of 4.
Okay. All right, so I'm hearing the same thing over and over. Jakarian, what did your partner group find?
We found 3 groups of 4.
3 groups of 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Okay. Who found another way to do it? Kendall.
2 groups of 6.
2 groups of 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12. So 12 is a multiple of those. Javian. I need something different. We already have 3 times 4. We already have 3 times 4. We already have 2 times 6. Is there any other way to make one?
12, just 12.
1 times 12.
One long group of 12.
Okay, my turn. My turn. Hold on, I don't want to show this yet. So, here's your factor rainbow for 12. 1 times 12 can make an array.
Yes.
2 times 6 can make an array.
Yes.
And 1 times 12 can make an array. So, there's your, all the list, if I ask you to list the factors of 12, they would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And how many arrays could we make with 12?
We could make, we can make 3 groups of
3.
4. You can make 4 groups.
1, 2, 3. 3 different arrays. We could do 3 times 4. We could do 2 times 6, and we can make 1 times 12. Okay, now take 1 more square inch tile out of your bag. You now have 13. That's what these students are doing. They're trying to figure out, would 12 or 13 have more ways of making a square table or a rectangular table? Okay, we found 3 ways on 12, right? So now we're doing 13. Use all 13 tiles and find how many arrays you can make. We're doing it flat. You can only make rectangles if there's something sticking out. It's not an array. Do you all have something sticking out? Then you have to change it. Change them around. Yeah. Where's your array? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So what did you find, Noah?
We found 1 long group of 13 because 1 times 13 is 13. And 13 is a composite number.
Okay. I don't think everyone heard you because some people are still talking. Say that again really loud. Everybody listen to Noah.
We got 1 long group of 13 because 1 times 13 equals 13 and 13 is a composite number.
Not composite, but you did find 1 long group of 13. 1 row of 13. See, you can't do it like this because something sticks out, doesn't it? This is not 13. That's 18 right there. You weren't counting. You had 12, you just needed to get out one more. So you need to count your tiles. So is there any other way to use 13 except one long rectangle of 13? Is there another way? If you try any other way, what happens?
You would only get 12.
What would happen on your little rectangle, Prince?
It will have one sticking out.
It would have one sticking out. Yeah, and we can't have that for factors, can we? We can't have one sticking out. So look at your rainbow for 13. Look at your factor rainbow, eyes right here. The only way you can make an array for 13 is 1 times 13. So put your tiles in one long line. One row, one long line. 1 times 13 is 13. Do it now. That's the only way to make 13. There's only one array for 13. One long line. Put your tiles in one long line. Because that's the only way to make it. 13. One long line. Like that. Now, how many arrays could we make for 13?
One.
Just one. Look right here. Just one rainbow stripe. You can only make one array for 13. How many did we make for 12? 3. How many did we make for 13? Only one. What are the only two factors of 13?
1 and 13.
1 and 13. Now, let's take a look at this. Everybody put your tiles back into, you already did, let me draw the ones that you made. For 12, you made 1 times 12. You told me 3 times 4. And 6 times 2, or 2 times 6.
And 3 rows of 4.
So those were the ones for 12. So there are how many ways to arrange the tables for 12?
3 rows of 4 and 6 rows of 2.
1, 2, 3 different ways. Okay. So, put them back in the bag for a minute. Put them back in the bag. Zip it up and put it down and look up here. Eyes right here. Pencil down. A prime number, Jaden, y'all ready? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly 2 factors. 1 and itself. Which number on this board has 2 factors, 1 and itself?
13.
So is that's what a prime number only has 1 and itself. So is 13 composite or prime? Prime. Prime numbers only have 2 factors, 1 and itself. Okay? A composite number is a whole number greater than 1. Caribbean? A composite number is a whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors. Which number on this board has more than 2 factors?
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 6, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 different factors. So 12 is a composite number and 13 is prime. So we listed the answer, the factors of 12 on our board already. Put that down, please. Thank you. And so what did you say? 12 is a what kind of number? Composite.
And 13 is a prime.
And 13 is a prime number because the only 2 factors are 1 and itself. Did you notice it says greater than 1 on both of them? 1 is not prime or composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay? I need you to roll back real quick and get out page 206 from your book. I'm sorry, 306. Get out page 306, write your name and date quickly. Okay, go to the middle of the page. In the center of the page, you see a grid like this one. That's all we're using today, is the center of that page. Use the grid to model the factors of 18. Tell whether 18 is prime or composite. We're not going to say whether 18 is prime or composite yet. We're going to model our arrays first. So, do you want, how many of you would like to do the factor rainbows from yesterday to help you with this? Okay, then somewhere on the page, put your 18. And what factor do we ask about first? 1. We always start with 1. It's a factor of every number, okay? How about 2?
Yes.
Is 2 times something 18?
Yes.
And 18 is an is it odd or even? 8 is an even digit, so 18 is an even number. So 2 is a factor of 18. Okay, how about 3?
Yes.
Is 3 times something 18?
Yes.
How about 4?
Wait, 4. Yes.
4 times something?
No.
No. How about 5?
Yes.
No.
How about 6?
Yes. 6 times 3.
Oh, look it up because 6 and 3 are beside each other. 3 times 6, and 2 needs a partner, and 1 needs a partner. 2 times what is 18?
9.
2 times 9, and 1 times
18.
18. Okay, so now you know how many arrays to draw. How many arrays will we draw for 18? 3. We have 6 factors, but we're going to draw 3 arrays. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can tell me, Jordan, what's one array we can draw for this? Use these numbers. 3 times 6. Let's draw that first. 3 rows of 6. Draw that on your grid. 3 rows of 6. Corinthian, do you have 3 rows of 6 drawn? 4. 3. Corinthian. 2. Put your paper in your folder, please. 1. All right, we have a practice page, and you're going to do Rally Coach on the practice page. So I'm only going to give 1 page for each partner group. Okay? You have to answer every problem, but remember, for Rally Coach, you're going to go back and forth. You must talk through your problems first with your partner. Get an okay from your partner that they agree that's how it should be done. Let me wait just a minute. Is there a problem? You must get permission from your partner that they agree with you, and then you write the answer. You don't write anything until you talk it through first, okay? Then answer all the problems. In just a few minutes, we'll go back over the answers. Okay, roll over with your partner. Both first names can be on the page. Both first names can be on the page. And you're allowed